The Independent Evaluation Office of UNDP conducts independent country program evaluations to assess UNDP performance at the country level. These evaluations support the formulation of UNDP country program strategies in facilitating and leveraging national efforts to advance inclusive and sustainable development. Why is this independent country program evaluation important for UNDP?
The evaluation of UNDP's work in Barbados and Eastern Caribbean is the second assessment that the Independent Evaluation Office has conducted in the region 10 years after its first. The evaluation team looked at the extent to which the programmatic goals set in the document for 2017-21 have been achieved and what factors have affected performance the most. The evaluation was timed in a way to inform the next planning cycle, which will cover 2022 to 2025.
What are some of the important findings?
The evaluation found that UNDP has enhanced its programmatic offer and its presence in the region in alignment with its commitment to small island developing states. Its budget in the period 2017 to 2020 was more than 2 times what it had planned for the entire cycle and more than 5 times what it was in the previous cycle. It has opened 3 fully fledged project offices in 3 different states, and also it has announced its presence in other countries. UNDP's efforts have appropriately focused on environmental vulnerability and climate change, also to respond to the recovery needs after the hurricanes Irma and Maria hit the region in 2017. Important results have been achieved also in terms of adoption of national adaptation plans and mitigation actions, while the efforts in the area of energy efficiency and protection areas have been lagging a little bit more behind. Insufficient resources were made available to support socioeconomic vulnerability, although UNDP has achieved a stronger positioning in this area through partnerships since 2019. When the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak hit the islands in 2020, UNDP's support was very prompt in helping the countries through socioeconomic assessment, provision of protective equipment, and support to small and medium enterprises. The evaluation showed that the multi-country coverage of the office did not affect the ability of UNDP to deliver, with delivery rates almost consistent across projects. However, there is a negative correlation between the number of countries covered by a project and their prospective effectiveness and sustainability. This was particularly true in case of operational projects, which required a lot of interaction with national counterparts to support process changes.
What are the key recommendations?
The evaluation includes 5 recommendations that aim to enhance the relevance of the program and its efficiency, particularly in the area of socioeconomic development. The evaluation also recommended the office to adapt its ways of working to a new, larger portfolio by reinforcing its operational arms and also enhancing the quality of its project design and management, working in closer cooperation with national stakeholders for enhanced capacity development.